Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to my channel. So today I just opened this and I said, you know what, let me do an unboxing for this, okay? I just got this from Fashionphile. You know, they sell a whole bunch of luxury goods, you know, used, new. You know, you don't always have to buy your items from the store. Sometimes you could get them, a lot of the times you could get them used, pre-owned, vintage. I love a vintage item. Okay, Lolly, go. Listen, so I opened it. I got a fashion, I was just like, oh, I have to record this. Before we begin, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm Jovi Beauty on all platforms. Follow my other YouTube channel, Jovi Beauty, and let's get on with it. I got a file, which is so cute. I have a glass file, and I got a file in a new, this is cute. I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Child, they know me so well. Hanging in my closet. I like this file. I'm gonna keep this file on me at all times, child. It says thank you. They sent, you know, little, this is cute because I actually have to make somebody, fix somebody something for their birthday. So I'm going to reuse these, okay? Listen, that's adorable. I got, okay, I'm going to show y'all what I purchased, but, you know, I just wanted to show you. Okay, what's in here? Okay, this is the receipt. We want this backpack. I guess, you know, because again, after you purchase an item from Fashionphile and a lot of these other places, you could actually return them. You could actually sell them back. So like you can get something, keep it for like 6 months or so, and then sell it back, which is kind of dope. I'm not sponsored. I just bought something from Fashionphile. We want this bag back. Cash for your bag. It's so cute. I like this. I do. Buying a Fashionphile certified item means total peace of mind for your online shopper. We go through a rigorous 6-step certification process to ensure that each and every item that we sell is not only authentic, but maintain an unparalleled high standards in quality and disclosure. Buying Fashionphile certified gives you the confidence to carry your bag with pride. Child, I didn't even buy a bag, but they gave me the confidence to know that if I did buy a bag from them, I will be carrying it with style, okay? Promise and style. Paper. Shoot, I'm about to use all this paper for this package I gotta make. For this thing, you know, have birthday stuff I'm about to put together. Okay, so here's my product. Used is the new. I love that. I love that. I don't wanna damage that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, because I was wondering if it was going to come in a box. They have a Fashionphile box. My item. I love the fact that it comes in a box. And I'm going to show y'all like what I got. Since we're here. Oh, it's so clean. Excuse me. It's a Tiffany's ring, if you can tell. I'll take some pictures and insert pictures. If you can't, it's a Tiffany's ring. Vintage Tiffany's ring. I'll take some pictures and insert them here some places while I'm looking. It is beautiful. It's a pinky ring. Ooh, it actually probably could fit. There you go. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. I need to cut this off. It's so adorbs. Thank you. This is my daughter handing me a whole knife. Ain't even handing me a scissors, child. But I appreciate it. Okay. So wow, it's a Tiffany's ring. I want I was looking into getting me certain, like I said yesterday, certain items I'm really interested in getting. I'm trying to save up enough money to get me a Bulgari ring in white ceramic that I want to put on this finger. Oh my gosh. I thought this would have been a pinky ring, but since it fits here, I'm very excited about that too. I'll wear it there. Let's see where else it fits. It kind of fits here, kind of. Listen, I was willing to pay. It's not going to fit on my middle finger. The pinky is cool. The pinky is cool. Tell me, where should I wear it? Should I wear it on the pinky? Or should I wear it on the right hand ring finger? Y'all let me know. Wherever y'all say wear it, I'll wear it. And I'm done, okay? I just wanted to do that really quick unboxing. It was really dope. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm done. And as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it.